you do not voluntarily step out like I'm asking you to.
I swear to God, do not open my door. Don't open my door. Record this shit.
Get out of the car!
I'm a girl.
This officer clocks a woman traveling at 97 miles, 27 miles over the speed limit. He attempts to write her a simple speeding ticket, but she mentions one critical detail that changes the direction of this encounter.
Hi there, I'm Officer Redmond with the Jefferson Police Department.
How you doing?
Good. The reason I stopped you today, I got you at 97 miles an hour. It's a 70. We're going entirely too fast.
Yeah, I got you.
Y'all from North Carolina?
Yeah.
Who's this vehicle registered to?
Me.
You? Okay. All right, sit tight for me. Hey, y'all got registration on this vehicle?
We couldn't change like with Dream, because Dream almost played like us. Played like a guard. He played like a guard. He's very finesse.
I gotta go get the new one that my insurance company sent my check back, so I gotta get new insurance because I don't know, they just canceled and sent the check back.
Okay. All right, sit tight for me. Do you have your proof of insurance?
No, I just told you. They sent the check back, but I can show you like where I did it, and then they sent the check back. But you could just write me up for not having no insurance, because I don't have none actively as of now.
You don't?
Yeah, actively as of now.
Okay.
Because they sent the check back, like it was their fault, their mishap.
Okay. Without insurance, I can't let this vehicle back on the road.
Why?
Because I can. Because it is a liability.
Okay, so what we gonna do?
So you can...
I gotta go home.
I know. I'll give you the same opportunity that I give everybody. You can get some insurance here on the side of the road, or I can tow the car. And I hate towing people's cars, so I'm going to hope you can get some insurance. It's too much of a liability to let the vehicle back on the road, because if I knowingly let you back on the road without insurance and you hit somebody or somebody hits you, then that's on me because I allowed the vehicle back on the roadway.
At this moment, the officer checks the back seat and notices something's missing.
That bottle that was sitting right here. Where'd it go?
You can, regardless of where it went, you could blow me. I'm not drinking.
No, I'm not asking that.
It doesn't matter.
Where's the bottle at?
I don't know.
Okay.
Unsatisfied with her answer, he gives someone a call and takes the simple traffic stop in an entirely different direction.
Hey, Tanny, you about done? Come on up here. I got one with an attitude. We're going to PC search it. I got 3 occupants and the driver's got an attitude. 97 at 1574. Get on northbound. Get on 85 northbound to 137, and I'm right here. Not the day to pop an attitude.
What you got?
I got her at 97.
Good God.
I mean, out here, that's an average night. I've got odor. I had a half bottle of what appeared to be tequila on the back seat that magically disappeared from me going back to my car and coming back up. I got a male. I believe it's a male in the back passenger up in the front. She just started popping off with an attitude in the driver's seat, and she just voluntarily told me. I asked if she had proof of insurance, and she said, no, I just told you. They sent back my check. It doesn't have insurance right now. I was like, okay, well, I can't legally allow the vehicle back on the road. And she started mouthing off more. So I've got open container somewhere in the vehicle that I had in plain view. I got PC all day long with odor.
Yeah.
Ashtray in the center. So they finna come out. We're about to go through that car. Watch that back passenger. Just eyes on that back. Hey, boss man, can you put your... Never mind, he's asleep. Hey, go ahead and do me a favor. Step out of the car for me. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I have that right to ask though.
Yes, you do, and I will tell you as soon as you step out of the car.
Well, I have to ask before I step
Okay,
out. Just
let
so
me
I can
explain
make sure.
what's going to happen. If you do not voluntarily step out like I'm asking you to,
I'm just making sure like what we stepping out for.
it's cool. Step out of the vehicle.
I'm asking.
Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to force you out of the vehicle.
If you do, and you will get sued, because what did you step? You have to tell me what we're stepping out for.
Hey, bud, put your hands on your lap for me. Put your hands on your lap. I can see his other hand. I can see it. Yeah.
What we stepping out for?
Nothing on this side.
You have to tell me why we stepping out. Now I'm finna start recording. Cause you touch me, I swear to God. Do not open my door. Don't open my door. Don't open my door. Do not open my door. Do not open my. If you break my car, you're gonna see about this, bro. But you have to tell me. Stop touching me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Can you get her seatbelt? Cut it.
What? Record this shit, cause I'm
cut that shit.
I'm telling you.
You don't be stupid like that.
Taking me out for no. They haven't told me why they took me out.
You ain't gonna tell you shit. You can get out the car.
Cut it.
No, you don't. That's not how shit works. Oh, well, fucking check it. Me not having no insurance. Please, me not having no insurance. Please, cause I'm telling you, y'all gonna pay for all this. Let go of my leg. How the fuck I'm supposed to get out if you got my
Get out of the car!
my leg go, nigga. What the fuck wrong with y'all?
Get out of the car! Right now!
Man, I'm telling you.
Turn around. Put your hands.
Fuck no.
100%.
Hey, bro, call my people, bro.
Hey, boss man, just keep your hands right where they are.
All right. Issue, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead, because y'all ain't tell me why I got this. Look, you see that? You see that?
Maybe cooperate a little bit.
I'm not doing shit. I'm not
Get her
doing
back there
nothing.
so I can see this passenger.
You see that?
Come on.
No, I'm not. I'm not doing shit. They just dragged me up. I'm telling you. Drip got all this. He got all this. And I'm telling you. I didn't even record. What's your name? I don't know what's going on. Hey, Drip, get their name and badge number, bro. You going down, big dog.
Record and your card, okay?
I didn't record you. Get their name and badge
And
number.
boss, just keep your hands right where you got them, okay?
Stop moving.
You letting them do this, you weird.
That's fine.
What's wrong with you?
That's fine. I'm going to jail.
And
Negative.
I'm going to be out.
Shut up.
And I'm going to be out. What's wrong with y'all? I'm going to jail for that. Wait, come on. Y'all on some weird shit.
You checked her?
Nope.
Y'all can't touch me. I'm a girl.
You want to know your password?
3865. You can't touch me. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. You touch me. I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket?
I'm a girl. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. I don't have no weapons. And you all in my pocket. Oh, he touched me. You know, I'm a girl. You're not even supposed to be in my pockets. You're not supposed to be on me.
I might not have it.
All right, swap sides.
But the fact that it still smells
Swap sides with me.
I'm a girl.
I'm a couple hours ago. We was at the BNB.
I'm a girl. We just been at this.
Okay. All right. That's all we
Like, I'm a girl, and he over here touching me all in my pockets and shit, pulling my pants and
We
shit.
good.
Like, I'm a girl.
She goes back of my car.
I went double lock.
That's weird. All because I didn't have no. All because no what's name. They didn't tell me nothing. I don't even know why I'm going to jail. They didn't even say that. They didn't say none of that. That drip been woke the whole fucking town, cuz. Call my mama drip, cause they even the key in my phone. Can I speak to a sergeant?
Hold on,
too?
back her up right here. That was the sergeant. Back her up a little
I
bit.
need all
Back her
of
up a
that.
little bit. Pull her back. Let me get this seatbelt.
Like y'all doing the motion out. Both of y'all weigh 10 times more than me. And he got all that on record. We gonna definitely cause an issue. I'm definitely causing an issue. And I'm a veteran. We're gonna definitely cause a fucking issue.
Okay.
Yeah, we gonna cause an issue because he got all that on record. Y'all weak as for trying a girl like that. Weak as real talk.
Okay.
Weak as
Okay.
She got pulled over. She didn't have insurance.
Let me swap gloves real quick.
In the end, Mrs. McNair was charged with speeding as well as 3 counts of resisting arrest and obstruction on a law enforcement officer. What is obstructing a law enforcement officer? Well, it falls under 3 categories that all must be true. Number 1, the officer was lawfully performing a legal duty. Number 2, the defendant knew the person was an officer. And number 3, the defendant willfully resisted, obstructed, or opposed the officer. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty.